Hi, myself Shambhavi Srivastava. I'm 17 years old and I'm here to recite a poem on the topic My Father, My Hero. I have a hero and I call him Father, who protects me from all the bad weathers and has a heart soft as a bird's feather. He's sweet, kind and caring, the one who never steps back from daring. All the great qualities dwell in him, and he is the statue of a great human being. When it comes to speak about him, I have a shortage of words, because I want to say that no one has ever heard. I have a hero, and I call him Father, who fulfills all my dreams. When it gets a little sunny, he gets me an ice cream. He is the only Superman that I always deem, and is the best loving being. I've never seen God, but I know my pops. He helps the needy without being greedy. He cares for everyone, doesn't matter they're street cows or dogs. He makes it a priority that all are safe. He's so determined and always teaches to dream. I have a hero and I call him anytime, because he is the one whom with I always rhyme. And he is my partner in crime. He is the backbone of a family, and I can talk to him very casually because he answers everything happily. Pa makes my life full, and he makes everything beautiful and gleeful. And I'm blessed to have my hero, and I call him Father. I have nothing to fear and nothing to bother since I have my father. Wishing a very happy Father's Day to all the lovely fathers out there. Thank you so much.